Going to jump into the messaging section of the phone. You can see I have both picture and text messaging support. We're going to enter in a new text message just to show you how it works. I'm going to use a shortcut to create a new message. We're going to hold down the menu key here, and we're going to hit the N for new. We're automatically in the new message editor that way. We can just start typing a contact's name. Sidekick is a contact I added. And now we can just type in the message. And to send, we can either use the trackball to navigate down to here, like that, or as you can see, it's written right there, symbol for the menu key and M, and automatically send it.
New message.
And since we sent that to ourselves, you can see the message itself. You can also read the message in the inbox view. Next up, we're going to jump into the email section of the device. You can see we get a list of messages that are coming in already. Right now we've got two different mailboxes defined. There's the T-Mobile mail and a MobileBurn@Gmail account. Now the thing with the T-Mail is I actually have multiple accounts in here. So you always have the option of having an account be in a separate tab like we have for Gmail, or you can have them mixed in with the inbox of an existing account or in a separate folder. So I could have made this personal email account come into a separate folder inside of T-Mail. Instead I chose to have it come in and get mixed in, all intertwined together with the T-Mail account. You can see the Gmail support as well. Here's a message saying that the account was set up correctly. You go into the menu, you can see what you can do with it. Reply all, forward, and you can mark it on read as well. Now that we've read the messages that came in new, you're no longer seeing a alternating flashing icon there showing a mail message. Instead you just see the T for Twitter. So another thing I want to show you is there's a number of social networking applications on this device. You can see we've got Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter. I've got Twitter loaded right now. It's running in the background. Pretty nice Twitter client. Instead of showing the name of the person in terms of their account, it shows their actual name as defined in Twitter. Really easy to use, a number of different views. Send direct messages. You can quickly switch to which view in terms of just direct messages, that kind of thing. Pretty pleased with it overall. I'm not a heavy Twitter user, but from what I can tell, it seems to work pretty well. And just as we would expect to find on any decent Sidekick device, there's a very solid instant messaging client. Supports Yahoo, MSN Live, and AOL Instant Messenger. One of the nice aspects about the Sidekick is how easy it is to get to contacts. I can just start typing a contact's name, so I can type J for John, or I could type T for T-Mobile, or I can even type C for customer, and check. If I put another U after it, it narrows it down to just the customer matching. Very easy to find contacts. Go back to the jump screen here and we'll go down to the main contact application. You can see how it all works. You can mark contacts as favorites, so as they show up in the favorites tab. Move up here and you can see we've got the home ones in there now. We can take an existing contact and add it to the favorites. So now John Doe shows up in the favorites. When you scroll down to the list and pause a second on the contact, it shows all the information. We can pull John Doe up into the editor so you can see what the editor looks like. Edit the name, you can go over here, switch pictures. Add multiple numbers, email addresses, web addresses, street addresses, even notes. It's pretty easy to use, very simple to search through. And of course it is always possible to just dial 215-555-1212. Hit the green send button. Move down here to the speaker.
411 and more. For service in English, press 1 or stay.
There's a variety of basic organizer applications in the Sidekick as well. See, there's a calendar. You can change the view. month view, we can switch to the next month. And you can see on the second here, that little dot indicating that there's an appointment. Back out, you can also see that there are notes and a to-do list as well.